class of St. Xavier's High School. Students, now in this session we are going to study about chapter number 12 of English grammar, that is present tense. Okay, before starting the chapter we have to take into consideration two things. We are going to learn about two things in this chapter, that is simple present tense, and the second one is present continuous tense. So, starting with the chapter, first we will learn about simple present tense, and from your books you have to read some examples, and then present continuous tense. So, starting with simple present tense, what is simple present tense? When we are talking about our day-to-day activity, that is said to be simple present tense. Means which tells us about our routine activity, that is known as simple present. And what are the words we use? We use usually, generally, every day, and always. I'll give you one example. Suppose I get up early at morning every day. I get up early morning every day. So I am speaking about my daily routine. So, this is said to be simple present tense. Means which is present, our routine. I'll repeat once more, which tells us about actions done regularly. That is said to be simple present tense. Now, this is simple. Now, we have to talk about present continuous. Continuous means which is going on. Continuous means which is going on. For suppose, I am reading this book. So, till now I am reading this book. So, this is said to be continuous. So, tells us about action that is going on at the time of speaking. So, what kind of words we use? We use is, are, and am plus ing form of the main verb. Main verb, for suppose reading, I am reading, and that is ing. So, read would be reading because I am reading. And if you are writing, so it would be writing. ing form means the main verb plus ing with the helping word, that is you are writing. I hope students you are clear with the example with both the bifurcation. Again just go through. Simple present tense means the action which are done regularly. Present continuous tense means with the action which is going on continuously, which is still in action. I hope you are clear with this. Now we are going to start with our textual portion. We will read once again whatever the brackets are given and then do the activity portion.
So students, now take out your page number 39 of your Viva publication textbook. We are going to read the textbook, see some examples and do the activity portion of our textbook. We have already studied about simple present tense and present continuous tense. So now let's read it from our textbook. Simple present tense, as I earlier said, which shows or which tells us about activities done regularly. We have seen some of the words used in the sentences such as usually, generally, every day and always. Now let us read some of the examples. Hi, I am Mani. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I learn classical music. I practice music every morning. I have a very good friend. His name is Sunil. He loves tennis. He plays tennis every day. In the evening, we both go to swim. So you can see all these activities show that what is the daily routine or the actions done regularly. So all these are in the simple present tense. All verbs used are in the above passage are simple present tense. So they are telling us about the routine. Now one more fact you have to learn, students. The simple present tense is used to talk about things that are always true. For example, the earth is round, the sun rises in the east. So, these verbs is, rises, these are the present tense, which is showing the truth. Now, students, one more thing we have to learn is every sentence has a subject and a verb. We have already seen helping verbs and main verbs in the previous chapter. So, let's see some more examples. I, we, you, they, Roma and Soma in the sentence is a subject and verb study. Study is used as a verb, means action. So, what we can make a sentence using study, that is a main verb. He, she, it, Niranjan, that is the subject of a sentence, and studies, that is an verb form. So students, now we are going to start with the activity portion. So let's start with the activity portion. Fill in the blanks with the simple present forms of verbs in the given brackets. First one, Mrs. Jha is a teacher. She dash in Pune Public School. So teach would be teaches. She teaches in Pune Public School. Second one, they are taxi drivers. They dash taxis all over the town. Students, already there are taxis means plural form. So drive we will use as a singular form. They drive taxis all over the town. Adam is a baker. He dash birthday cakes with great skill. Bake, so bake would be bakes. So what is the simple present form of bake? It would be bakes. I hope you are clear with the first three sentences. Now the next sentence is we dash basketball every day. Play will be play. This is my cat. It dash milk every morning. Drink would be drinks. The sun dash in the west. Sun set would be sets. Dog dash to gnaw on bones. Like would be likes to gnaw on bones. Sunny dash his brother in the garden every evening. Help would be helps. Sunny helps his brother. Students, previously also we have seen that whenever you are using a singular form, then the verb or the present tense which is used should be plural. And whenever the sentence is of plural, the verb we use is singular. I hope you are clear with the first 8 sentences. Now the next activity is you have to rearrange. You have to rearrange the sentence looking at the picture. So the picture is given. You can see the first picture and the words given is usually Anwar cooks morning in his lunch. So what is the sentence? What is the proper sentence? Anwar usually cooks his lunch in the morning. I hope you are clear. Now the second sentence is Anusha music every day to listen. So the answer would be Anusha listens to music every day. Again, this is an example of simple present tense as Anusha is telling us about the daily routine. So now the third sentence you can see we in the watch TV evening and always. So rearrange this sentence. The proper sentence would be we always watch TV in the evening. I'll repeat it once more. We always watch TV in the evening. I hope you all are clear with the sentence. Now the next one. Jacob every reads newspaper morning the. So we have to read it properly. We have to rearrange it properly. Jacob reads the newspaper every morning. I hope you are clear. Jacob reads the newspaper every morning. Now the fifth sentence. I eat like to tomatoes raw. So we have to rearrange the sentence. I like to eat raw tomatoes. I hope you all are clear with these two activities. Now the next activity is sixth sentence. Samarth every sleeps early night. So Samarth sleeps early every night. I hope you are clear. Now you have to fill in the blanks using the correct forms of verbs given below. So, first let me read down the verbs. Come, jog, do, read, wake up, have, go and lie. So, from this bracket you have to choose the correct option. So, the first one, Mr. and Mrs. Mitra dash at 6 o'clock on weekdays mornings. So, wake up. From the bracket itself you have to choose the correct option. So, wake up is the correct option. Mr. Mitra dash a newspaper and Mrs. Mitra does yoga. So, Mr. Mitra reads a newspaper and Mrs. Mitra does yoga. Third sentence, they dash their breakfast at 8 o'clock. They have their breakfast at 8 o'clock. Then they go to work. They dash back home by 6 o'clock. They come back home by 6 o'clock. Mr. Mitra usually dash in the evening, jogs in the evening. Mrs. Mitra dash to watch tennis, likes to watch tennis. I hope you are clear with the blanks. Now, D, activity, rewrite the sentence correctly. You have to rewrite it correctly. I does not play cricket. So, the correct sentence would be I do not play cricket. Second one, this car belongs to me. This car belongs to me. I hope you are clear because the change is this car belong to me. It would be belongs. You have to add S. Rohan and Akriti likes to eat noodles. So the correct sentence would be Rohan and Akriti like to eat. It won't be likes, it would be like. When there is a plural or when there are more than two, then you have to use singular. So, like. Mrs. Das work in this office. Mrs. Das works in this office. So, you have to make it plural. Mr. Anand go for walk every evening. Mr. Anand goes for walk every evening. The children goes to sleep by 9 o'clock. The children go to sleep by 9 o'clock. It won't be goes. The correct sentence would be go to sleep. I hope you are clear, students. Now, present continuous tense. We have to read about present continuous tense. So, let's read it. So students, now next topic is present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The action which is going on. We have already seen. We have seen some examples. Amit is swimming. Meeta and Rita are watching television. I am reading a book. All of these are the examples of present continuous tense. And we have also seen that the words is, are, am are helping verbs. And they are combined with the main verb plus ing form. Suppose write would be writing. So now let's start with the activity portion. Fill in the blanks using present continuous form. You have to use is, are and am plus the helping verb. Okay. So in the bracket is given, you have to add ing. So the children dash themselves on the swings in the park. So enjoy, are enjoying. You have to use it. Okay. Charu dash her hair. Comb is combing. Charu is combing. We must rush now as it dash late. Is getting late. The doctor dash the patients. Examine would be is examining. All the students dash hard for the exams. Are working hard for the exams. Tushar's mother dash lunch and Tushar dash her. Cook would be is cooking and help would be is helping. You have to use help plus ing, that is helping. A cat dash behind the curtain, hide would be is hiding. The naughty child dash on the wall, write would be is writing. I hope you are clear. Now the last activity of our chapter is you have to rewrite the sentence changing the verbs from simple to present continuous. First, let us see one example. Sonal feeds her pet parrot. Sonal is feeding her pet parrot. You have to use is, are and am plus ing form of verb. I hope you are clear. The teacher smiles at Rohan. The teacher is smiling at Rohan. So the next one, Mr. Menon chops vegetable. Mr. Menon is chopping vegetables. Rahul helps Anu with her homework. Rahul is helping Anu with her homework. Seema waters the plant in her garden. Seema is watering the plants in her garden. I go to the temple near my house. I am going. You will use am. I am going to the temple near my house. Lavina walks very fast. So Lavina is walking very fast. Now the last sentence of our chapter. Bharat plays football with his friends. So Bharat is playing football with his friend. Students, I hope you are clear with all the activities. Read the summary first and then start with the activities and complete it in your textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.